Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to economic online classes. In the previous class we discussed about the macroeconomic identities, major 6 macroeconomic identities to calculate national income. By using that identity, how to calculate national income by using the different methods. So thus now we are going to discuss about the measures to calculate national income. Measures or methods in which way national income is calculated. There are major 3 methods to calculate national income. First one, product method or value added method. Second one, income method. Third one, expenditure method. Let us see one by one. So first one is product method. This product method is also called as value added method. Value added method, because some values are added here, thus this product method is said to be the value added method. Product method includes the product, goods and services produced in the country are included while calculating the national income. Goods not only in the private sector, both in the public sector and private sector are including while calculating the national income. Production in public sectors are included in the value of all the final goods produced in the country in public sector are included, thus it is said to be the value added. Value of the net value added, all the production in the public sector and private sector net values are added. Then export minus import, only the net export we are considering. Export values, income from the exports, so from the GDP, gross domestic product. Whatever the goods we supply to the foreign country or abroad, that is considering. So import values are deducting. Import values are deducting. Thus here also we are considering in the value added method or product method. Here we are considering the gross domestic investment. Gross domestic investment. So gross means total, domestic means internal, total internal investment in the country. That is also considering while calculating the product method. Thus this product method includes all these 4 things: production in public sector, net value added in all the sectors, export minus import values, and gross domestic investment in the country. Thus together it is called as output method. Together it is called as output method to calculate national income. This is also called as output method to calculate national income. Means all the final value of goods and services produced in the country in a year is considering while calculating all the values of final goods are adding. So it is said to be the value added method to calculate the national income. National income means, already I said, it is the net value of all final goods and service produced in the country during an accounting year. Thus this product method is adding all the values of the goods and services produced in the country. That's why it is said to be the value added method. Thus all the final goods and services it is going to take. Thus it is said to be the output method to calculate the national income. This is the first method to calculate the national income. Next, one more method is there, said to be the income method. On the basis of income received by the country, our country's national income is calculated. So how to calculate this income method? Already I said in the circular flow of income, how the circular flow taking place in an economy, in a simple economy, closed economy. I said there are only 2 sectors. Household sector is there, firm is there. Here household sector is going to supply the factors to the firm. Again firm is making payment in the form of factor payments. So income received through the factors of production, income received from factors of production. So factors of production are nothing but influencing factors in the case of production. Thus, income method, we are measuring the income on the basis of factor payments. Land, labor, capital, organization are the factors of production. For using these factors, rewards given in the form of factor payments, rent, wages, interest and profit. So, income method includes all the factor payments made to the different factors of production. Let us see through the equation how to calculate income method to calculate national income. So, here income is denoted by Y in economics. So, Y is equal to R plus W plus I plus P plus X minus M plus R minus P, where Y is equal to income, national income, Y is denoted by income, R is equal to reward given to the factor payments, land is rewarded with rent, W is equal to wage, labor is paid with wage, I is equal to interest on capital, P is equal to profit received by the organization. These are the rewards given to the factor payments. All these factors of production and factor payments are included while calculating the national income through the income method. So, X minus M. X minus M means export minus import or net exports. Export minus import is nothing but net exports. Income received from the net export also included while calculating national income. R minus P. R minus P means receipts minus payments. Receipts minus payments. So, payments means while exporting the goods and services, we are getting the receipts, and while importing the goods and service, we are going to pay the money in the form of payment to the other countries. Thus, receipts minus payments. After deducting the payment from the receipts, we are going to get the remaining income. That is included while calculating the income method to calculate national income. So, here Y is equal to equation, Y is equal to R, W plus I plus P plus X minus M plus R minus P. Y means income, R means rent, W means wage, I means interest, P means profit, X minus M means net exports are included, and R minus P means receipts minus payments are including while calculating the national income. So, this is one of the major method in calculating national income. So, income method also we discussed in the circular flow as a money flow method. It is a money flow method. So, next one is expenditure method, spending. So, how the country is going to make payments and investing on the production activities are said to be the expenditure made on different goods and services, either on consumption, production or on any other cases, government expenditure for increasing the exports, imports, everything is said to be the expenditure. So, how to calculate this expenditure method? The equation to calculate expenditure method is Y is equal to, Y means income, C plus I plus G. C means consumption expenditure, I means government investment expenditure, G means government expenditure. Different sectors expenditure are going to consider, expenditure or investment made on different sectors are going to consider while calculating national income, plus export minus import, X minus M, net exports only considering, import values are deducting because imports are the payments, it is not giving any value to us or income to our country. So, plus R minus P, receipt minus payments means only the receipts we are considering, exports we are considering while calculating national income, not the import we are considering, because import is a payment made to the purchase of goods and services with the rest of the world. Where equation we can see one by one, where Y is equal to income in economics, C is equal to consumption expenditure, and I means investment expenditure, G is equal to government expenditure, where X minus M, X means export, M means import. Together we are taken X minus M is equal to net exports. While calculating national income, we are considering only the net exports. R minus P means receipts minus payments. Only the receipts we are considering. Receipts are the assets for us, payments are loss for us, because we are making payment to others to purchase the goods and services with the rest of the world. That never gives us or never gains the income to the country. Thus, expenditure method is nothing but expenditure made on consumption, investment and government expenditure, and expenditure on export, and receipts minus payments. So, through this we are going to calculate the national income. First method of calculating national income is product method or value added method. So, it includes 4 major things. Production in public sector it is considering, net values added, export minus import considering, and gross domestic investment. Thus, it is together said to be the final value of goods and services produced in the country in a year it is going to consider. So, final values of production it is going to consider, final goods values. That is what it is said to be the output method. On the basis of output of the country, national income is going to calculate. So, it is said to be the output method. Next one is income method. Income method means income received from the factor payments and factors of production, together called as income method. While calculating national income, we are including all the factors of production, land, labor, capital, organization, and rewards given to factors of production, rent, wages, interest and profits. Thus, income method is the money flow method to calculate national income. Here you came to know how to the circular flow of income is working. Through the equation y is equal to RWIP. R means rent to land, W means wage, reward given to the labor, interest, and P is profit received by the firm. X minus M also adding means net export, export minus imports, net export, or you can write export minus imports, export minus imports. Also you can write R minus P means receipts minus payment, net payment made to the abroad, that is also considering while calculating income method. Next one, expenditure method. This expenditure method explains about the expenditure made on different sectors in the economy. So, expenditure made on consumption, production, distribution, exchange, all things included while calculating the national income. Expenditure made on different sectors, equation is y is equal to, income is denoted by y in economics, C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. This is the equation to calculate expenditure method, where y is equal to income, C is equal to consumption expenditure, expenditure made on consumption purpose, to purchase the consumption goods or to sell the consumption goods or to produce the consumption goods in a domestic country. All kind of consumption expenditure is consumption expenditure values are adding while calculating national income. Not only the consumption expenditure we are considering, so we are also considering the investment expenditure, investment made in the different sectors, either the investment on consumption, export, import, or investment on purchase of assets or any foreign exchange earnings, foreign exchange reserves, that is considering. So government expenditure is public expenditure on public goods. Public goods are free goods. I said free riders. Those who are using the public goods are said to be the free riders because it is the non-payable users of public goods are called free riders. So no money are paid for while walking on the road. Road is there, that is a public good. So for that we are not at all paying money directly. So government expenditure made on construction or the schools, hospitals, for also for the public, any kind of public infrastructure, investment made on that consumption expenditure or on investment expenditure or government investment also considering while calculating the national income. So expenditure made by the government on different sectors also considering. X minus M means export minus import. Net exports are considering while calculating the expenditure method, means expenditure made on the exports, supplying the goods and services, charge is there, supply charge is there, or service charge is there, that is also including while calculating national income. R minus P means receipts minus payments. Only the receipts we are considering. Receipts are the worth for us and payments are worst for the development of the country. Always receipts should be more than the payment, then only it is said to be the surplus balance of budget. Thank you for watching this video.